Have you ever wondered if it's truly possible to turn your passion into profit? Welcome to my story of how I transformed my passions into a lucrative reality. I'm Deb, and my journey has been one of thrilling transformation. An adventurous soul, I've always been the one to leap off the cliff, trusting my instincts to guide me. My life compass has been spiritual, leading me to treasure the joy of waking up with a smile, looking forward to the day ahead. Over time, I've built flourishing businesses, each sprouting from a simple seed, passion. Each venture grew from a hobby that filled my spare hours with delight and, when needed, provided the income we required. The path was challenging, filled with late nights, periods of self-doubt and financial obstacles. The cafe scene was a notable hurdle, but that's a story for another time. Each trial was a lesson in resilience, creativity and strategic planning. The fuel for my journey? A potent blend of grit and strategy. I networked tirelessly, cultivated a community through social connections, and offered unique products that were distinct and engaging. I plotted my interests, tested the waters, and crafted a simple business plan. The mantra? Start small, dream big, and create a buzz. My story became my most potent tool for connecting with people. My journey reveals that passion can unlock the door to financial freedom. I've done it multiple times over. In the next episode, we'll dissect the first steps of how I transform my hobby into a prosperous future. Our future years should be more than just golden. They should be secure, thriving, and filled with the joy of doing what we love. I've unearthed the secret to drafting the roadmap to success. So stay tuned. Let's embark on this journey together. The journey from passion to profit is not only possible, it's exhilarating. And I can't wait to share it with you. Remember, it all starts with a passion and a dream.